Hello, Chippewa community. My name is Molly Hollihan, and I am the principal of Chippewa. In this brief welcome video, I just want to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about myself and my family. I hope someday very soon to show you the whole new front office and the new commons in my new office. But today I'm still working out of a temporary office in our Library Media Center. We're going to move into our new offices very, very soon. Just wanted to share that I am so excited to start the 2021 school year with you. This will be my 10th year in the district. I started at Highview as a dean for 3 years, then I moved to Chippewa as a dean. I was also the associate principal for 4 years, and now I'm starting my second year as the principal. My husband Brian and I live in Shoreview, and we have 4 sons. Our oldest son, Dean, graduated from Hamlin last spring and is in the business world working in sales and marketing. We have James, who is an 8th grader, and Luke, who will be coming into 6th grade here at Chippewa, and Owen, who's a 4th grader at Turtle Lake. When I'm not at work, I like to read, I like to run and work out, and of course spend time with my family. The thing I like most about Chippewa is our amazing community. Our teachers are extraordinary, our parents are supportive, and our students are remarkable. It is truly my pleasure to be the principal of Chippewa Middle School. I look forward to seeing you soon, either virtually or in person. Thanks, and have a great day.